Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video answering a question how to get interactive fill into text or any object. But it's kind of a lengthy process because you've got to click on your text, go up to edit. There's no hotkey for copy properties from. So we're going to make one. So we're going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. I don't know where it is in the, it's not under File, it's actually under Edit. So we could go to Edit and, you could find it, but you could also go to Edit up here. And even though it's not highlighted, you can highlight it and there it is. It is copy property code. Now shortcut, there's no shortcut. Let's make a new shortcut. And what would it be? You can't really use C because it's already being used by a line. Can't use P for copy properties of F, copies from, maybe, assign it. Say okay. Now, let's click on this and hit the letter F, hit okay, and there you go, you made a hotkey. So same thing here, the letter F, and I wish you could well, you have to because it's asking you if you want the pen outline and color and everything, but we want fill, and there you go. So we made a hotkey. Sometimes it's hard for people to understand that if you're not in the text tool, every key on your keyboard could be a hotkey. Just like as much as hitting P puts that in the center of the page. Taking all these, well, if we put one of these out of realm and you hit T like in Tom, it put them all at the top. It's the same thing with this new one we just put F for. We'll do here, F, fill, and we'll use that one right there. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.